Welcome to 309 7th Avenue Southwest in Sidney, Montana. This fully renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home combines modern style with everyday comfort. From the moment you enter, you'll appreciate the bright, open-concept layout. The main living areas are spacious and open, featuring modern finishes, stainless steel appliances, and sleek flooring. 3 well-appointed bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms provide comfortable space for family or guests. A dedicated laundry area adds everyday convenience, making household tasks simple and efficient. The bedrooms offer a relaxing retreat with ample natural light and a comfortable layout suited for rest and privacy. Outside, enjoy the privacy of a fully fenced yard, perfect for entertaining or peaceful relaxation, along with an oversized shed for additional storage. This striking property, with convenient alleyway access, blends style and practicality in a desirable location. Don't miss your chance. Schedule a visit today and experience this beautiful home for yourself.